Hello and welcome, everyone. This looks familiar, doesn't it? So, several somethings. It's been a long time.
5 months, I'm guessing.
I think it's been almost a year, hasn't it? I don't know. A long time ago, Bird, Zoe, and I did a part one of this indie RPG-ish thing, To the Moon. And then it sort of languished from there because I just was not able to get all three of us together in the same room at the same time and have anything work. So for various reasons, mostly because she has to focus on her business and things like that, Zoe has dropped out. But Bird and I are still here.
Hello.
Hello. So here we are starting this game over again. One of the things I wanted to do to atone for last time, the recording got very distorted at the beginning, right when I was saying, oh man, I really love this music. Just listen to how pretty this sounds and everything, right when it was doing this horrible funhouse warbling. So hopefully you will believe me this time when I say this actually is good music. We'll see how it turns out in the final. Meanwhile, ready to actually start?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's completely silent for me, so it's kind of awkwardly staring at the screen.
Well, you'll see how it sounds when it turns out. The important thing is that at least the music's good in the recording. Before, like, even in the final version, it just, like, it recorded wrong. But now, as long as this recording turns out, you will eventually see that this is, in fact, good music.
Yeah, you were using Bandicam last time, were you?
That's correct. I was using Fraps, which just does not work for this particular type of game. But I have Bandicam now, so... Oh no!
Car crash. I remember that much from the game.
Where were you looking, Neil?
I haven't come up with the voice for him. Well, excuse me for heroically evading that squirrel coming out of nowhere.
You ran over it anyway.
Oh.
You ran over it and hit a tree.
Look, don't worry, it's a company car.
Are you kidding me? The boss is going to kill us.
We'll just say I was saving a puppy. He likes puppies, right?
He's more of a cat person.
Why does the world have to be so complicated? Fine, whatever furball he fancies, crisis averted.
Good. Go write that on your report later. Let's grab the equipment from the car and move already. Left click with an object to interact with it. Received equipment.
Da, da, da. Got the sucker, let's roll.
Right click to toggle menu or cancel. So we've got Dr. Neil Watts, a technician specialist with Sigmund Corps, and Dr. Ava Rosaline, who's the senior memory
Traversal?
Yes, thank you. The senior memory traversal agent at Sigmund Corps.
Oh, poor squirrel.
Tisk.
Oh, come on, I crashed the car while trying to evade it. What more do you want?
Not crash the car and evade it?
That's asking too much. I blame it on the car. Who puts a driver's seat on the right side anyway?
And if Zoe were here, she would probably have something to say about that, but she's not. So, over here in America, you're outvoted. Sorry. Miles' household ahead.
Putting up a sign where they when they live in the middle of nowhere is like asking to be robbed.
Dr. Watts is just such a jerk.
I know! The sass between these two. Hey, hey, wait, don't forget the car.
Just wanted to see if you'd remember, and also I completely forgot, but shh.
Also, how is the door closed? Like, how?
Oh, it has one of those fobs.
Oh. How thoughtful of you.
Yeah, because he wouldn't want anyone to steal it, right? So, not only do I really like the music in this game, but just the graphics, the tile set and everything is, it's very pretty.
Mm-hmm. Don't you have to do it, like, one at a time? I'm not sure how RGP stuff works.
I don't know how this game was made. If they use, like, RPG Maker or anything like that to do it, then yeah, you have the tile set, which looks custom. These don't look like RPG Maker tiles. Then so someone would have had to make the resources, and then you just get into the editor and like actually lay these down one by one. And yeah, it's a comprehensive process, but that's assuming they even did it in RPG Maker. They might not have. I don't know. So you can click on this. It makes a sound effect, which you'll hear later. Other than that, nothing happens.
And the birds freak out a little bit.
Who put a boulder here?
Maybe it's their security system?
Cucumbers. We don't have time for this fluff.
I forgot she says that.
Yeah, I completely spaced that too. Let's try pushing it out of the way.
Maybe we could find a tree branch to jack it with. Teo. Wait. Teo. You're right there. Is this the roleplay thing all over again? Or
just keep going.
Or we could just call it a night and blame it on that. That'll work.
Push it by hand, find a branch, abort mission, and go home.
I think we pushed it last time.
What do you want to do this time?
Let's try the branch.
Let's find a branch. A branch will do. Oh, maybe that's why you can click on the tree. Okay. Oh, or maybe not.
Hmm.
There's a branch on the ground there. Oh, there it is.
Oh, do you
okay.
see it? There you go.
Received tree branch. Is that in our inventory?
Items, yeah.
A good old stick. Alright, this better work.
What was that?
Did it just deflate?
I think it did.
I don't even... It's some kind of an air ball.
Oh, I remember that. Last time we pushed it, it like bounced everywhere.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, that's you.
Right. We need to get going for now.
Right.
Ma, they're here!
How could you see them from there?
RPG perspective.
Ah.
Not a bad place to retire at, huh?
I could do better. Jeez, why? Come on.
I told you, your character is just such a jerk. And it gets so much worse, too.
Oh, gosh.
So I should mention for anyone watching this, we did play this before in the original part 1 of this video and got up to a certain point anyway. And I don't know about you, Bird, but for me, it's going to be completely blind after that. But I mean,
Me too, yeah.
Yay! So neither of us know how this game ends or anything. Although it starts out, we've played the first part of this before.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway.
Night shifts. Love or hate them?
You know the answer, you stupid owl.
Also, I'm an owl now. It's probably gonna be an all-nighter,
I know.
And I doubt they have any coffee.
Shut up.
Shut up. And the ocean waves will sing lullabies. And,
Not through your blathering, they won't.
and the islands...
Don't forget the equipment, moron. These two are just, like you said, the sass between them.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Mostly from him. He's the sassy one.
I know, it's such an interesting break from Papyrus. Ooh.
Act 1. I never told anyone, but I've always thought they were lighthouses. And I think I was Lily last time, so...
And you were also the old man.
Maybe you should take over Lily just so we have like a more fair distribution.
Sure. Okay. Dr. Watts and Dr. Rosalind, I presume? Thanks for coming out at such short notice. That's okay. I tend to be bad at predicting deaths anyway. Wow!
Like I said, he's just a jerk and the sass master of the team. Are you the patient's daughter?
Oh no, I'm just his caretaker. And these are my children, Sarah and Tommy. It's not exactly a 9-to-5 job, so Johnny let us live here.
I suppose this Johnny is our man?
Johnny? Listen, if it's the kid we're dealing with, I don't think we're the ones you want. No, he prefers to be called that. He's upstairs right now with his medical doctor. Come with me. Nah, we're just gonna go walk around.
Carpy!
Just what you did last time!
And you think I'm the bad one?
Some cases.
Most cases. 99 out of 100 cases. Come on, grab that case and let's go.
When my back breaks one day, I'll sue you with the insurance claim.
Yeah, I love you too.
Alright, let's head upstairs before I drop this.
For River.
What kind of song is this? It's just 2 notes repeated over and over.
Is it? I mean, it has some other stuff down there. Anyway.
It's mostly just 2 notes repeated.
It's that, and then they have other stuff layered over it. Let's go upstairs.
I don't know.
Which kid is this? I'll pretend.
I have no idea.
Okay, they're gone.
Whoever gets there first gets to play the melody.
I forgot what voice I gave her.
That's okay, so did I.
fair. You pushed me.
Did not.
Whatever. You get the boring 2 notes anyway.
Pixel graphics. So they do have like a team for the pixel graphics who did a great job, by the way, and the graphical resources and everything.
Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah, see, like I said, it's... So I guess my character, I guess Tommy gets the 2 notes, but there is a song here, which you will see when I post this, and it's a pretty song, too. Those kids are pretty good for their age.
Hey, you're the one who said there was no time to waste. And incidentally, I'm the one who's carrying the weight of the small Metroid. Or Meteoroid. I still said Metroid. I did this last time.
And the mental image of Dr. Watts carrying a small Metroid is just as amusing now as it was back then.
Oh. If someone doesn't draw that, I will.
Yeah, come on.
There you go.
There we go.
Ready to set up?
Yes, it'll be just a moment. I like the way they intersperse the opening credits with this little introduction thing here. With this, what we're doing here.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure a common household power outlet is sufficient?
No worries. We're the experts. Sure you are, honey. Oh, crap. Standard procedures, just keeping you on your toes.
How's he doing? Not so well. If I were to say, he's got just a day or 2 left. That's plenty of time.
So, you 2 can grant him any wish, huh?
To try, at least.
But we always succeed because we're awesome.
So, what's the wish?
The moon.
The moon?
The moon. He wants to go to the moon.
The geezer just keeps getting crazier, huh?
Jeez!
My God!
What?
So can you do it?
It depends.
She meant to say yes.
Why don't you tell us about our client here?
That... I don't really know much. Johnny's an old man, though the 2 years that I've worked here, he rarely spoke. He worked as a craftsman for most of his life, and his wife passed away 2 years ago. I don't really know many details.
I wouldn't know more if I was his paperboy, for Pete's sake.
Shush, just do your thing. Quit being such a jerk.
Well, I suppose if you look around the house, you may find some more info. I suppose Johnny wouldn't mind since he's signed for you 2.
So be it. Alright, which one of us plays detective?
I think last time, Dr. Rosalind went.
Yeah, so let's do Dr. Watts this time.
Okay.
Plus, I get to see you being a jerk some more.
Because that's rare. I'll do it. I once played Sherlock Holmes at a high school musical.
I know, it's like... This poor innocent Carpy has fallen so far.
At least I don't voice Flowey.
Touché. I remember you playing Watson.
No, same thing. Not really. Just configure this and I got it started anyway.
My children can show you around. They're probably downstairs at the piano.
Did you find anything yet, Sherlock?
Tommy and Sarah can take you around the house if you need any assistance. They're probably downstairs at the piano.
He's unresponsive at this point, but by the looks of things, he's still consciously hanging on. It's hard to say how long you'll have, but I would hurry. Wait, come back here for a moment. I have something for you.
Okay.
Here, take this. Received a remote patient monitor.
Ah.
That'll keep you updated on Johnny's status.
I hope there's no self-destruct button. I seem to have a knack for those.
Johnny's heart monitor is now activated in menu. Yep, okay.
What do you want? Oh, what you want?
Hey, your mom told me to show me around the house.
Okay, maybe we will.
Maybe?
I think we just need a little convincing is all. What do you think, Tommy?
Yeah!
Alright, let's talk. What do you punks want?
We want $1 trillion!
Or a candy cane Mom hides from us.
You know, same thing. Yeah, or that!
What?
There's a giant candy cane on top of the highest shelf that we can't reach.
It's in the kitchen. Mom put it there to save for when we do chores. Get it for us, and we'll give you a tour through the house.
What do you say?
Oh. Let's see, which one is more Dr. Watts? See what happens. Planning to eat stash candy is a serious crime, you know. I heard you can get 6 years for that. And where?
Oh no! What do we do, sis?
We're sorry, we didn't know.
Uh-huh. Well, if you show me around this place, I'll keep my mouth shut.
Really? You do that for us?
Sure, I'm feeling nice today. That's a surprise.
Woo, thanks.
Yeah, we'll help.
Alright, where do we start?
I know! There's this funny room in the basement.
That just unnerved me so much the first time we played through this game. Like, oh no, this got dark in a hurry.
I know! Like, oh good, these children are gonna murder us.
I don't like that funny room. Yeah, thank goodness it wasn't what I was thinking.
I know. Oh, what kind of funny room?
You'll see.
It's weird.
We just need to get the keys, though. The old man hid it inside a book in the study.
There we go.
This is the book room.
The key to the funny room is in the thickest book on the upper shelf.
Dusklight, the tale of a girl who fell in love with a zombie who emitted the smell of daisies when showered with gentle sunlight. Sure, let's read it.
Maybe next time.
Receive the room key.
The man sure knows where to hide things.
I will admit it's a very clever hiding place.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever checked the painting?
The painting.
Bottom left.
Oh, that
Right
one?
there.
I don't think you can interact with it. See, the cursor changes when it's something you can interact with, like it's a hand right there. So the painting's not giving me anything.
Okay. I was just curious.
Yeah, actually, you don't need the lights on. Okay.
We can open the funny room in the basement now. Yay!
Yay!
This is the basement. We play hide and seek here.
Turn on the light before you trip over something. It's gonna be... Oh, it's this one. There we go. We used to find all kinds of cool junks here. Moldy books, moldy buckets, moldy cheese, you name it.
Moldy animatronics.
Wrong game.
Once we were down here and the lights were out, and Tommy fell down the stairs. He chipped a tooth, but it's okay, because he was ugly to begin with. Oh my god.
The door is locked. Open the door with room key.
It's like a cave in here. Oh. Welp.
A rabbit folded out of paper. A broken music box. A stuffed toy platypus.
Aww. What a hideous little creature.
Shush you, platypi are adorable.
Yes. Poke it. Aww.
You killed it!
It's fine.
Receive toy platypus. This is creepy music, just for the record.
It's just for rabbits and with paper rabbits.
Did you see it?
What do you kids know about all those rabbits?
Nothing. The old man didn't want anyone to go inside, so we never told him.
There's more of them, actually.
Where?
Inside the abandoned lighthouse. It's just beneath this cliff.
Wanna go see? I got the keys.
Let me guess, you aren't supposed to go in there either.
Nice laugh.
Thank you. Remind me to never keep any locked cabinets around you two.
So, you want to go see the lighthouse?
Well, it's rather windy outside, but what does that matter? Yeah, go see the lighthouse. Oh, to heck with it. I'm Dr. Watts. Mere wind can't stop me. Come on, let's go kick some butts. Okay.
God, I love this music and the graphics too. This is just such a pretty game. Oh, excuse me. Oh no! My novelty beach ball! Someone broke it!
Hmm.
It was stupid anyway.
But it's the bestest novelty beach ball I've ever had. Oh, who could have been so cruel?
Don't worry, Dr. Rosalie will buy another.
No, don't do it!
She will?
Oh yeah, sure, just ask her afterwards. We kinda need to get going, though. You ass. Oh god.
Oh, it's smoking!
Who's the dummy that crashed the car?
It was, Dr. Rosalind, yeah.
Ass!
I hope we get some character development later. Oh, Dr. Rosalind. Tisk, tisk, tisk.
Oh, a squeal!
And this is where you die, Teo. Don't worry, kids, I got this. Hiya!
Eh.
Alright, you're Dr. Watts. What are we doing?
The attack! Shoo! Okay, shoo. I guess loud. This ends here! Ah!
Stop it! Or we'll tell Mom you animal abuse!
I
Yeah!
was just gonna
She called the cops on you!
yell at him. Oh, come on! I wasn't actually gonna... don't you like role-playing?
You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself!
Let's just go. My whole night is ruined. Because he couldn't beat up a squirrel.
He strikes me as the kind of person who would beat up a squirrel. In memory of River E. Wiles.
River Wiles. Huh. Oh my gosh, I just made a connection. That piece that we hear, that the children play, you know it's called For River?
Oh, hey.
I didn't make that connection at first. Was she John's wife?
Dunno. Come on, the lighthouse is right here!
Nothing creepy about this.
This is it!
Seems like this thing hasn't been functioning for a while now.
A multicolored paper rabbit. Hey, this wasn't here when we came last week.
Oh, yeah. Johnny must have came here before he fell ill again.
Two colors, huh? Am I the only one who's a little bit creeped out by these things, though?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's you. Sorry.
Yeah, you are.
Yep.
What the? Someone's calling me. Ugh, I should have guessed. Yeah, we're coming. Blah, blah, blah. God. All right, let's head back. As for this,
So you just take it.
I'm just gonna take it. Johnny won't mind.
What the cactus were you doing?
Burning ants with a magnifying glass. When the sun isn't out.
Using moonlight?
Yes. Okay, I was taking a nap then. God, it's so hard to be smart as nowadays.
And yet you always find a way.
Yes.
You're pretty good at being half of it.
Oh. Which half?
Your helmet's on the couch. Get it on. We're going in. Go on. I'll watch over his physical conditions through the procedure.
By the way, I'm curious. How does it work? Do you just write him another life like a novel?
I'm curious. Because I don't remember. What? No, I'm no novelist. We can't just write our entire life manually. There's way too many decisions. Or dimensions. Also decisions.
Then how do you do it?
It's mainly the machine that does the doing.
Naturally. Since we're not paid enough to get our hands dirty.
In a nutshell, our job is to travel through his memories to as early as possible. And when we do, we would then transfer his registered desire of going to the moon.
To the reconstruction of the world and himself at that early state. And with the help of a wiki of data and his own, the machine would then simulate a rerun.
Except this time, he'll have the motivation of his registered desire with him all his life.
So, you'd be depending on him fulfilling his own wish by simply having the desire to? How could that be? Everyone has ambition for things, but most don't accomplish them.
That's because in the real world, ambitions fluctuate and fade. People start things with a passion, but eventually they lose that initial drive and slow down. But imagine if you locked onto that initial push through your entire life, never wavering. It's more powerful than it seems.
That being said, no ambition's gonna help a dead man, so I better go get started.
Oh, of course. Sorry.
See, that's why I'm glad we waited before initiating.
Mm-hmm. Ready or not, here it goes.
This should be the last accessible memory. Disable speech for all except Johnny.
Done. Let's get him.
At any time, you can view your position in time by moving the mouse toward the top of the screen. Oh, then maybe I should quit trying to hide it up here. Yep. Yeah, so, oh, okay. That's neat. I think he's up here, if memory serves.
Mm-hmm.
Granted, it's been a while since the last time we played this game, but yeah, there's a... Yeah.
Oh.
Johnny? What a pleasant surprise. We don't get many visitors around here. My name is Dr. Ava Rosaline, and this is...
Dr. Van Matterhorn. Dr. Lorenzo von Matterhorn. Uh-huh.
Dr. Neil Watts.
I'm trying to be cool here.
Are you familiar with the Sigmund Agency of Life Generation? Oh, are you two from the agency? How convenient. I've just been thinking of calling you. Lily, get us some tea, please. Lily?
Actually, you've already called us. Oh, bye. Bye, Lily.
We're here to fulfill our contract from the relative future.
Careful there. If you slip and fall off the cliff, we're gonna have to relive this memory.
Watch it, Neil. Show some respect.
It's just a program, you know.
I know, but this is his last accessible memory, and we need its cooperation.
Worst comes to worst, we can just reboot it.
Why would you waste time like that?
Because I'm an asshole.
You... You are here to take me to the moon, aren't you? Yes, John. I suppose I had a good run.
Not good enough, it seems.
You jerk!
Jesus.
So, can you do it? Can you take me to the moon? We can't, but you might be able to.
Why do you want to go there?
I don't know. It's fine. You can tell us. It's essential for helping us to get you to go there.
Do you want the fame? The money? You gotta have a motive.
I'm sorry, but I really don't know. I just do.
I can already tell this is gonna be a pain in the ass.
Nevertheless, Johnny, here's what we will do. We need to get to your childhood, but it is too distant to do so in one memory hop. Thus, we will need to traverse through your memories with gradual backward leaps.
Which you've given us the permission to do in the relative future. Thank you for that.
Once we lay down the waypoints in your childhood memories for direct access, we will return here. That's when you'll need to help us influence the childhood you to become an astronaut.
Or to get on a giant catapult.
The point is, you'll need to have more to say than just, I don't know. As long as you can take me to the moon, I will cooperate in any way possible. Good. Now, in order to leap to a memory, we need an item that is of importance to you. Do you have a memento of some sort to get us started? That'll do. Well, shall we?
Ladies first.
Received note. Moon. We'll need to prepare this memento first. Let's check our inventory first. So we've got our people. So notes. Moon. Description. Objective. The moon in Johnny's memory is full. Interesting.
Okay.
Patient monitor, the moon key, toy platypus, and a paper rabbit. We should save our game. I kind of forgot to do that. Okay, let's prepare the memento.
Oh. Oh, yeah, you have to play a little mini game.
Complete memento. Click the orbs to flip pieces. Oh, I get it. Okay, so that one. Like that?
No, honey.
Oh, I have to...
The way you were...
Okay.
That was adorable. Did I do it?
Shush. The memento can now be activated for traversal. Well, I got them all one color. I just didn't realize it was the wrong color.
Felt like you just had like a little David moment there.
Let's activate.
Okay.
Wait, what about my privacy? We'll try not to violate what we can avoid. But in most cases, it can't be helped. Anyway, bye. Turn off visibility and interactivity. It'd be messy to be seen.
Yeah, happy. Jeez, I forgot to ask him about these rabbits. This is creeping me out. We should probably check this worker for psychopathy first. Oh. What the... Did you hear me?
That's impossible. It's probably just a part of this memory.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Then I stand by my point.
Anyway, quit blabbering and find a memento here to hop from.
I think it was the umbrella.
We're in a room full of things that can hop, so obviously we need the umbrella. Okay, interact with objects to... Oh no, I remember this part. You just have to go around and, like, poke at stuff.
Yeah.
Interact with objects to establish 5 memory links.
And why didn't we do this last time?
Well, we did. I just forgot we did it. Multicolored paper rabbit.
No. I meant, like, when we first memory hopped.
Oh,
Anyway.
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, aren't you special having two colors when your siblings look like they got drowned in bleach? What's that? You think you're really creepy? Why, yes, I agree.
Oh, I saw magnifying
Clock?
glass. Yeah. The clock is moving but soundless. Receive note. Clock. And a memory link. The clocks in Johnny's house never tick. And the moon is always full. This is interesting. I'm glad we're doing this blind, because I'm sure that's really significant. I don't know what it means yet, but it's probably going to be really cool.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, right, you feed that to it. I remember now.
Oh, okay.
Hello. You're up here now. Oh, okay.
And that caused these three things to appear. A glass bottle of pickled olives.
I hate this stuff.
What's to hate? It's pickled olive.
Exactly.
And we've got an old and patched up backpack.
What's this, a million years old?
I guess we'll find out.
Oh, you don't get a thing from it.
Huh, okay. The Emperor's New Clothes by Hans Christian Andersen. That one we get a thing for. Don't. If we have to explain our presence to him at every memory, I'd go crazy.
Don't tempt me.
Fresh wildflowers. There we go.
There we go. For my favorite line in the whole game so far. Because I remember the Hadouken!
Nice! What the fuck was that?
You don't play video games? What?
That's it. I'm doing the breaking from now on.
Aww.
Memento. Let's prep it. Reminder, the corner orb can flip the entire diagonal. Okay. So we need... Oh, okay. So we need... that one, and that one. Yay!
Yay!
I can now travel with the Memento umbrella.
Yay!
Let's activate it.
Aww. That's really sad.
It really is.
When it comes to rain, through is better than onto.
I don't mind it regardless. Seems like these memory hops only span a short period of time. We need to find a leaping memento or it's going to take forever.
Yeah. I just enjoy the scenery.
Okay, so this is actually the point we reached last time. So this is where the previous part 1 ended, and it will be a blind playthrough from here. But we've been playing for a bit, so I want to call it here and come back to it next time, and I swear it won't take like a year this time.
Yeah, let's do that.
There may actually be a part 2 at some conceivable point in the future, now that we have this set up. See, we're good now. We should be good now. So,
You should be.
all right. So thank you very much for helping me with this. Let's save and exit the game for now. And yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you come back for the part 2, which I swear we will actually do this time.
Bye-bye.
Take care.